Are you struggling to improve your folder gluer's productivity? Looking for ways to reduce your packing staff, increase your folder gluer's output, and reach higher production speeds? What if I told you that you can increase your packing speed by 25%, 50%, or even 100%? What if I told you that you can reduce your operators by 1 or 2 people, cut down on costs, and realize dramatic productivity gains? It is possible and easily achievable. How? By adding a case packer to your folding gluing line. Hi, Hani here from IMPACK. After 2 years of researching, writing, and sitting down with folder gluer owners, packaging equipment suppliers, and some of the top engineers in the packaging industry, I saw what machines the most successful and least successful box manufacturers use. The automatic packer is by far the machine that clients always want and are always impressed with. But most often, it ends up being the wrong fit for clients. Today, we will talk about the automatic packer, what it is, its pros and cons, and how to know whether it is the right fit for your company or not. What is an automated packer? An automatic folder gluer packer or an automatic packer offers an automated case packing process, where the machine becomes the key factor of the packing process, and the operator is now limited to only performing background tasks such as feeding the packer with empty cases or managing full cases. The operator is still permanently present as part of the automated packing process and required to operate an automatic packer. In short, an automatic packer is the next level of automation above a semi-automatic packer and just below a fully automatic packer. IMPACK's automatic packer is the VIRTUO packer. Let's dive into their advantages and disadvantages. Pros of an automatic packer is that it offers a high production speed. An automatic packer's biggest selling point is its speed. This is because an automatic packer's speed can only be influenced by the machine itself, as humans are now limited to background tasks, and they can never be a bottleneck. Second is consistent productivity. The main difference between a semi-automatic packer and an automatic packer is the role of an operator. As speed and productivity of a semi-automatic packer is entirely dependent on the dexterity and skills of your operator. In contrast, the speed and productivity of your automatic packer is consistent and guaranteed. The human is no longer in control, yet the machine is with an automatic packer. Next is ergonomics is less of an issue. Because the operator is limited to background tasks with an automatic packer, the next pro of an automatic packer is that you can upgrade it to a fully automatic packer quite easily with IMPACK's automatic case feeder, otherwise known as the ACF. Let's look at the cons of an automatic packer. Automatic packers, of course, cost more than semi-automatic packers. Next, their setup times are generally longer and more challenging than semi-automatic packers. And also, most are fixed, or if on wheels, they're harder to move. And finally, the last con is that they usually require a larger footprint when you're comparing them to a semi-automatic packer or a collecting table. Is an automatic packer the right choice for your company? Now that you have a better understanding of what an automatic packer is, the benefits it can provide to your packing process, and its pros and cons, you're probably asking yourself, is an automatic packer the best choice for my company? Here is the answer in the simplest way possible. An automatic packer is the right fit for your company if, number 1, you have long production runs. Number 2, you have medium to very large sized boxes. Number 3, you have a limited variety and similar box formats. And number 4, you have simpler boxes that do not need constant adjustments or quality control checks. Some examples of the most popular automatic packers in the Western market include Bobst's Carton Pack 4, Heidelberg's Diana Packer, WSI Global's Express Pack, of course, Graphic West Packaging's J-Pack, and IMPACK's very own VIRTUO Packer. I know that finding the right solution for your folder gluer production is far from an easy task. And so I really hope this video helped you make a more informed decision on what's best for your company's production. If you're conflicted on whether you should go for an automatic packer or a fully automatic packer, compare the two levels of automation side by side in this resource below. And if you're interested to learn more about IMPACK's VIRTUO Packer, this resource below covers everything you need to know about the VIRTUO Packer and what companies it is best suited for. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.